But in addition to making sure that the spine is aligned, there's no pressure on the nerve, there's no pain locally at that point, but also I know that the body's broken up into 6 main systems. These 6 systems are controlled by 6 different parts of your brain. So now real briefly here, we can see one of the systems is the glandular system. So one part of your brain controls all the glands and hormones in your body. This can affect sleep, mood, immune system, skin, hair, anxiety, depression type of symptoms, things like that. Next, we have the eliminative system. Now this is going to be your sinuses, your mouth, throat, lungs, skin, kidneys, bowel, bladder, anything that gets stuff out of the body. It's almost like the detox zone. So people with, sinus congestion or allergies or asthma, bronchitis, any skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, maybe constipation, maybe chronic diarrhea, anything going on down here, okay? And then next is going to be the nerve system. Really, really important one. This is going to be really great, anything neurological. Currently we're seeing some dementia patients getting some great results, actually reversing a lot of those symptoms. But not just that, it's also things like concussions, any numbness and tingling down the arm, maybe painful menstruation for women, any reproductive or fertility issues for both sexes. So next, we're going to go to zone number 4, system number 4, and that's going to be the digestive system. So this is, like it sounds, anything with digestion. So if there's any foods that you currently don't tolerate well, like gluten, like dairy, this month we've helped at least 7 people who previously couldn't eat dairy or gluten. Now they can. So just know, once your nervous system and your digestive system is working properly, you can do a basic thing like that. Next we have the muscle system over here. Really cool zone. Anytime we have tight muscles, aches and pains, this deals with all the muscles, tendons, ligaments, joints, and bone. Really big, really big. Really big with balance and vertigo. And then lastly, it's going to be the circulatory system. So this helps a lot with anybody with blood pressure issues, cold hands and feet, headaches, swelling. So this is any of the circulatory systems in the body. So what we understand is that when we can get the brain centers balanced, when we can make sure the spine is aligned straight, taking the pressure off the nerve, now the brain can actually monitor the body and regulate it, getting whatever it needs to this spot to get it to heal. So now that I explained that, I can tell you a real cool story. So I had this young woman, she was about 40 years old, and so she told me, she said, every single day for the last 15 years, yes, you heard that correctly, 15 years, she would throw up after every single dinner, and she would only go to the bathroom, number 2, once every 4 days. That's a problem. She had been to multiple chiropractors. She tried the medical doctors. She tried the drugs, the surgery, everything. She comes to my office, and I'm happy to say, in 3 visits, we got her completely regular, going to the bathroom every single day, and she no longer threw up. That's pretty cool. So now we have to ask, like, what am I doing different than what other chiropractors were doing? Well, the difference is I'm paying attention to the brain, because this technique is a spinal cord stimulation technique designed to help reset those parts of the brain that aren't working properly so the brain can do its job and get the whole body to function and heal naturally.